Hi, everyone. My name is Corey Dow, and I'm a technical marketing engineer with HPE Aruba Networking.
Sure.
And our lineup today, which is called QoS Policing, Exceed Action of Remark. And you can see this is an environment where we have basically competing traffic for expedited forwarding for traffic that is going out to an ISP. So in this case, this is a use case so documented from one of our customers where basically they have a bitrate contract with the ISP where even though you have a 10 gig physical connection, they may only be afforded, say, like 4 gigs of traffic. And so they need to be able to limit the traffic that is going out to the ISP. And so for expedited forwarding within the environment, so we've got an example here where VoIP traffic is competing with HVAC traffic. So within the organization, you'd want to keep the expedited forwarding traffic bits as they are because you do want that traffic prioritized to the network. But as it leaves the network going towards the ISP, we want to be able to restrict or remark that traffic. And prior to 10.13, the only option that we had with CX was to drop the traffic. But now we can also remark the traffic. So in this example here, we want to cap the traffic for HVAC traffic at 50 megabits per second. So as an example, we'd set a policy here at the core of the border so that when the traffic comes through here and it's egressing out towards the internet, that we set the traffic for that HVAC traffic and remark it to CS5 instead of expedited forwarding. And that would allow the upstream switch for the ISP to either honor that traffic and allow it through or to drop it in most cases from that perspective. So this was a limiting factor for some of our deployments because a lot of the customers that were moving from different vendors did have this configuration in place. So it was limiting us in some cases. So we've now closed this gap. So with 10.13, we now have this feature available and it's benefiting quite a few customers that needed this feature. And the supported platforms that you see here are covered below: 63, 64, 8100, 8325, 8360, and the 10Ks. Just pay note that the 8325 and 10K support traffic police users only in the inbound direction, so not on egress, but the other platforms do support both the inbound and outbound directions.